Have you ever needed to quickly sign a PDF in Google Drive and wondered how to do it? With so many digital documents flying around, being able to add your signature without printing anything can save serious time. The good news is that this is simpler than you might think. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will walk through exactly how to sign a PDF in Google Drive using Jotform's Sign PDF tool, plus explore a couple of alternative methods. We will cover installing the add-on, adding signature fields, and even signing offline if needed. Let's jump right in. Many users appreciate the ability to sign PDFs directly in Google Drive because it makes document handling faster, more secure, and much more convenient. This is especially true in modern digital workflows where speed and accuracy matter. It also supports centralized PDF management, encourages team collaboration, and helps you control version history, all while reducing paper use and environmental impact. Users can sign PDFs in Google Drive using several third-party applications available through the Google Workspace Marketplace. Some popular add-ons include Sign PDF, Sign.plus, DocHub, Sign Request, and Bolo Form Signature. These tools integrate with Drive and allow you to add signatures without leaving your workflow. Out of these options, Sign PDF by Jotform stands out as an intuitive tool designed to automate document workflows. Its embed and public link features make it easy to share a document and collect signatures automatically from multiple people using a single link. That means no endless email chains or manual tracking. Sign PDF by Jotform also helps streamline your document process across workspaces and users. You can receive instant notifications about signer actions so you always know who has completed their part. Once documents are signed, you can download them and print if necessary. You can even send reminder emails to additional signers to keep things moving. If you do not already have the Sign PDF app installed, accessing it from Google Workspace is simple. Start in the top left corner of Google Drive and click on the Drive icon to open the menu. Scroll down to the More option at the bottom and select Connect More Apps. In the Google Workspace Marketplace search bar, type in Jotform Sign PDF. When you see the Sign PDF app appear, click Install. A pop-up will ask you to continue so Google can grant permission to sign in to Sign PDF. A pop-up will ask you to continue so Google can grant permission to sign in to Sign PDF. Click Continue to allow Sign PDF to access your selected Google account. After you review and allow the necessary permissions, click OK on the install screen to close that window. You will see another window behind it showing where to find Sign PDF in Google Drive. Then click Done to close everything. Now you're ready to start signing. Locate the PDF file you want to use in Google Drive. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and select Sign PDF to launch Jotform. Choose the Google account you want to use with the app and click Continue. When Google informs you about the permissions you're granting Jotform, click Continue again to move forward. Once your PDF is imported into Jotform, open the Elements menu by clicking the Add Elements button on the left side of the document. From there, select Signature to add a signature field to the file. You can drag and position it wherever it needs to appear. If necessary, add other elements such as name, email, date, or additional fields to complete your form. When everything looks good, click Send in the top bar menu. From the options on the left, choose whether you want to send the document via email, share it through a link, or generate an embed code. Share it with your signers and you're all set. There are also additional ways to sign PDFs in Google Drive. One option is using Google Drive's native PDF signing tool. Start by going to drive.google.com and signing into your Google account. Click New, then File Upload, and select the PDF you want to sign. If the file is already in Drive, you can skip the upload step. Double-click the PDF to open it in Google Drive's preview window. If the signing tool is available, click Sign or eSignature at the top of the screen. If you do not see that option, click Open With and choose Google Docs. Inside Google Docs, click Insert, then Drawing, and select New. You can draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad, or type a name and select a handwriting style font. After creating your signature, click Save and Close, then move the signature into the correct position on the document. To finish, download the signed PDF by clicking File, Download, and selecting PDF. You can also share the document directly from Google Drive if you prefer. If you're on the go and without internet access, you can sign PDFs offline using third-party software. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free tool that allows you to attach your signature without an internet connection. First, download the PDF and save it to your device. Open the file in Adobe Acrobat Reader, select Fill and Sign, then add your signature by drawing, typing, or inserting an image. Save the file once you're finished. When you reconnect to the internet, you can upload the signed document back to Google Drive and email or send it as needed. Other tools like Wondershare PDF Element also let you attach your signature offline. In most cases, using Jotform Sign PDF is the most streamlined way to sign a PDF in Google Drive. It offers a secure, all-in-one solution without juggling multiple tools. Its seamless integration with forms, built-in automation features, and user-friendly interface help save time, reduce errors, and give you greater control over your document workflows. Until next time, I'm Sissy with Jotform. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.